everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I want to do a DIY project with you guys. So I've been seeing all type of body oils, body glows, body sprays, all type of body bling being made for the summer. And in summer 2018, I feel like we have enough items at home to do it ourselves. I have a few of the key items that you need. So you're going to need some type of gel. I got the Johnson's baby oil gel. This one is in the scent cocoa butter and shea butter. Get whichever scent you want. You don't even have to necessarily get this brand. I know Vaseline also has oil gels. You can also, if you want to, do the same thing with baby oil, but I just feel like baby oil is kind of messy. I like this one because it's more solid. And the other things that you need are highlighters that you don't want. I'm going to use these two highlighters that I don't particularly care for as traditional highlighters, but I think the color is pretty. These are the Desi and Katie Dose of Color highlighters. This one is Fuego and this one is Mirror Me. And these highlighters are shades of gold. You can do this with any color that you want. Here's what one of the highlighters looks like, traditional light gold highlighter, and here's what the other one looks like, a little bit darker, more bronzy highlighter. And the next thing that I have that's optional, you don't have to have this. This is a little sample of Cover FX glitter drops. I'm going to add these in just for a little bit more bling factor. You don't have to have this at all. I'm going to go ahead and open up my body gel, and I have my spatula here. So what I'm going to do is take my spatula and break apart my highlighter. And I know that y'all are like, what? You have to make sure you don't want the highlighter because it is about to go down. So I'm going to take my spatula and just begin crunching up my highlighter, basically destroying it. So just take your spatula and grate it up to where the pigment is very fine. I'm going to start scraping this into the gel. And I'm going to go ahead and crunch this and smash this one. I'm going to stir this one around just a little bit, just so it's not just sitting right at the top. And I'm going to begin to put this one into the body gel. Stir it up a little. Let's push it down in there. And I'm going to take the glitter drops. So I'm going to take my spatula, kind of push it down a little bit, start to mix it up. Just try to get that product worked all the way through. And then kind of wipe off the bottle to not have all this mess everywhere. Let's reapply the top and then shake it up. Here's my arm before. There's a bit of the glow. There's the glow. Alright guys, I hope this video was very helpful for you all who are on a budget and you're like, I'm not trying to spend all that money on body bling. You already had your body bling in your cabinet all this time. If you guys end up doing this idea, let me know down in the comments section. Tell me your DIY body bling combos down in the comments section as well. And I will talk to you guys in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.